Hey there, this is Sabek here. Welcome to my video. In this video, I will show you how to make money online on Indeed. Yes guys, it is very easy and simple method. Even if you have don't any skill, that does not matter. So guys, let's dive in.
Guys, you can go to google.com and search indeed.com. Then you can find Indeed search bar and job title virtual and type virtual assistant and the right side you can type remote. Basically remote job is you can work this job your home. Then you can find jobs. Guys, teacher assistant person virtual school remote job $13 per hour is a part-time job. Guys, you can easily apply this job. The another one virtual national data assistant is a part-time job. Assistant director of student life virtual Shun Academy $28 per hour. Guys, work from home 100% virtual customer Amazon support service full-time job. Remote office assistant $90 per hour. You can read full job description and then you can apply this job and you can easily make money online and find another job like and type call center and find jobs as a guys. If you speak fluently English, then you can obviously work this job. Remote call center representative $15 $17 per hour. Guys, call center agent remote work flexible hour $11 per hour. You can easily apply this job and make money online virtual assistant. Then you can find another marketplace that you can find this job. Go to upwork.com and find work for your skill. You can type virtual assistant guys. Then I need someone who can assist my business. A rented job $10 is price 5 minutes ago posted. Guys, you can already ready product listing to known.com $20 fixed price. Interior design assistant online research needed long term ongoing position. Virtual assistant personal assistant guarantee then $30 hour per week. So guys, you can create your upwork.com profile and apply to this job.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you know this video is helpful, so don't forget to like, subscribe and bell the notification button. So tata for now guys.